Hello everyone, welcome back. We are here at the City Library today.
Hi friends, we are happy you are watching and learning English with us.
Today you will learn simple, polite English to say sorry and take responsibility.
This lesson is mostly A1 level, with some easy B1 sentences later.
Please subscribe to our channel and join us for more simple English practice.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from today.
Hey Jessica, nice to see you. Are you ready to go inside?
Hi Ryan, yes, but I feel worried about this library book.
What happened with the book? You look a little nervous right now, Jessica.
I forgot to return it. It is very late. I feel bad.
Okay, it is overdue, but it is okay. We can fix this together.
I want to say sorry in good English and be very polite today.
You can say, I am sorry the book is late. It is simple.
I am sorry the book is late. That sounds clear and respectful, I think.
You can also add, it was my responsibility. Let us practice that now.
It was my responsibility. Okay, I will try these phrases inside the library.
Inside the library, we speak quietly. Our words should be soft and very polite.
Yes, I will speak quietly. I want to show real respect here today.
Imagine the librarian is there. You need a full sentence apology, not only sorry.
Okay, maybe, I am sorry. I returned this book very late today.
Good start. Add a reason and responsibility like I lost track of the due date.
I am sorry this book is very late. I lost track of the due date.
Now add responsibility. Maybe it was my mistake and I understand the rules here.
It was my mistake, and I understand the rules. I am really sorry.
Great. Now let us return the book at the desk and practice everything.
Okay, I feel nervous, but I am ready to use my new sentences.
Imagine the librarian smiles and says, hello, you answer first with a simple greeting.
Hello, good afternoon. I would like to return this overdue book, please.
Now add your apology and reason. Keep your tone gentle and your eye contact steady.
I am very sorry. This book is late because I completely forgot the due date.
You can also say, I take full responsibility. It was completely my mistake, nobody else.
I take full responsibility. It was completely my mistake, and I accept any fee.
If the librarian asks why, answer simply. Do not give a very long story.
I was busy with work and study, but returning it on time was my responsibility.
Finally, you can say, thank you for understanding and ask about the fine.
Thank you for understanding. Is there a late fee I should pay today?
Let us review. First, you greet politely, then apologize clearly, then explain simply, right?
Yes. Hello, I am sorry this book is late. It was my responsibility.
You showed respect, accepted responsibility, and offered to pay any fee. That is excellent communication.
I feel more confident now. I can handle real-life problems in English like this.
Now you practiced apologies, reasons, and responsibility sentences. You can use them in many places.
Yes, use them at libraries, at work, or with friends when you are late.
Thank you for learning with us today. Please subscribe, comment, and we hope to see you again.
Bye, everyone, and bye, Ryan. Let us return more books on time next visit. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. You look a little nervous is soft. A little softens the feeling. I am sorry the book is late. I am very sorry is stronger. Very increases the apology. Apology plus reason can follow. It was my responsibility. Past B. Clear ownership of the problem. It was my mistake, adds clarity. I take full responsibility. Strong. Completely is a strong adverb. I am really sorry, adds intensity. Maybe can soften a trial idea. I think shows gentle opinion. Because I completely forgot. I lost track of the due date. Short reason, not a long story. I accept any fee is an offer. Thank you for understanding. Is there a late fee I should pay today? I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Modal should shows respect. Use clear order for politeness. Greet, apologize, explain, offer to pay. Your eye contact steady helps. We speak quietly. Tone reminder. Soft and very polite set style. Overdue book, please, is gentle. I would like to return is polite. Want is stronger than would like. I was busy with work and study. Use but to accept duty. Was my responsibility. After but. We can fix this together. Modal can. Modal can shows ability, support. I will try these phrases. Future. Will shows intention. I feel more confident now. I can handle real-life problems. Let us practice that now. Let us is a polite suggestion. I will show when to use them in real life. Start with simple greetings first. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Hello, good afternoon is formal. Commas mark pauses in greetings. We are here today is present. You are watching is continuous. Are watching and learning uses ing. Please subscribe. Uses please. Gentle request, not an order. Write a comment is imperative. Add please to soften tone. Are you ready to go inside? Yes/no questions use inversion.